bet you got some good vibes to go with that. Whoa! Wish I had some fries to go with that shake. Woo! Wish I had a swing like that in my backyard. Hey, shake it, don't break it. I've got a break in 30 minutes, if you can pardon the mess. Construction zone. Tool alert. Hey, wanna hammer out a few kinks? Wanna be in the right frame of mind? Woo, it's a construction zone, and I'm Tanya, the project manager, to help you build yourself up and let's use our tools. What do you say, to tighten those screws and build from the ground up? Check your circuit breakers so we can remember to bend so we don't break. Work, 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 working to build a healthy and happy mind, body, and spirit. This is the job that has great benefits. The best is yet to come. Woohoo!
Feels good.
All right. Inhale, reach on up. Let's do some chair yoga. So we're going to use our tools of gratitude, our tools of joy. Just lighten up to your heart. So here is a good time to set an intention for what you want out of your practice. Can't build a house without a plan, right? So home is where the heart is. So just keeping your cool, using the right tools. All right, so just move into the edge of your chair and lift up through your spine like there's an invisible string pulling you up from your crown. And those shoulders, don't let them just hang out. You know, be aware of them. Because if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. It's the last thing we want, right? Own it. Circle your head around. Working out the kinks. Hammer out those kinks in your neck. Let go of those screws that feel a little loose. Switch directions. And just sticking with your breath. Your breath is like duct tape. It'll get you out of a jam. All right, turn your chin side to side. Nod your head, yes. I love myself, I accept myself for where I am today. I'm just nodding to the left, to the right, to the right, to the left. Yeah, it's all working in working order. All right, back to center and just drop your head side to side. All right, and release. Go ahead and circle your torso around. And how low can you go? Can you take it a little bit deeper? And have a resting, happy face. You want to be happy? Put a smile on your face. Switch directions. So when we zone out, we still have that smile on our face. All right, and come on up, and we'll, nice and tall, go ahead and move your shoulders. Circle it. And just building yourself up. Switch directions. All right, and then open and close. And then we're just going to push it back. Back and up. Back it up. Beep, beep, beep. All right. Push it back. So this is just to help you keep your heart open so you don't have those hunched shoulders. No judgment if you do. Let's just feel good. Open up your circuit breaker. All right, and release. So taking the right leg over, and I'll just have you twist to the right. Great big deep breath in the belly. So we're not trying to build Taj Mahal today, but treat yourself like a palace. All right, unless you just want to be a crab shack, that's up to you. Release and switch sides. Left leg over, swing to the left. And just with the breath, dust off your tools of compassion and allow yourself to be honest with who you are. And you share that honesty with the world. You learn from your past, and you love and accept who you are right now. So if you're just going to have a hard head, who needs a hard hat? Let go of not being flexible. Let that go and release. Little side arch action. So you can hold onto the chair if you need to. And just being playful, your playful self. And switch sides. You remember how to do that, right? Just pull that tool out. Just like you pulled out a hammer out of your toolbox. Just allow yourself to laugh, be joyful, be free. All right, and release. Go ahead and forward fold here. So deep breath and feeling grounded, feeling the earth below your feet and how you're supported, you're safe. All right, inhale, roll on up, reach on up, and exhale to your heart. So just bringing your right knee into your chest, open your heart, and circle the foot around, right foot around, both directions, flex and point. Yeah, we want a good foundation. Let's switch sides. Lift up your heart. Open your shoulders. And plaster, smile on your face. Switch directions. And use your tools to love yourself. All right. And let that go. All right. Let's go ahead and stand on up. Just when you thought you were getting comfortable, let's get out of our comfort zone because we're in the construction zone. And we'll just do a modified sun salutation. So go ahead and reach on up. So let's take your legs right up to the seat of your chair and reach up. Oh, that feels good. And then exhale, fold, taking your hands to the seat of the chair, creating a table. And lengthen your spine here. Lengthen your neck, that you're aware of your full spine. And let's step back with the right leg, keeping the left knee over your ankle. And you're on the ball of the right foot. Pull your belly button in and feel your courage to be here now, to change for the better. And you're building the life that you've always dreamed of. So build those dreams. So just preparing yourself to step back with the left foot and hinge back into down dog. So palms stay on the chair and modify, adjust, whatever you need to do to feel safe. And know that you got to let go of your fears. Don't hold on to that. We're not building a house of fears. We're building a house of love. All right, now hinging forward, bring your shoulders over your hands. And so the chair is nice and secure on your mat so it doesn't slide around. And we're in this plank, and this plank is building confidence. And always modify for you. And then bring your hips forward, heart forward, shoulders back. And then go ahead and push back to down dog. And then kick your right leg back. Take your time. We're not in a rush. Enjoying the journey. Reach forward with the right leg. Step forward towards the seat of your chair. And here's our warrior. It's like a crescent warrior. And then step forward like a table. And then inhale up. And exhale to your heart. Feeling grounded. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Table. Step back with your left foot. So crescent warrior here. You've got this, belly button in. Just find a focal point to calm your mind so you can be present with your breath. When you're ready, step back for down dog. Pushing your hips back. And then hinge your shoulders over your wrists into a plank. So we're just modifying, adjusting, adapting, and then bring the hips forward. Chin up, shoulders back. Exhale, push back. Down dog. All right, when you're ready, left leg up. Oh man, that's good. All right. I love my house. I'm ready for a house party. Oh, wait, I'm having one. All right, so left leg forward in your crescent warrior. And then let's step forward. Table. Lengthen your neck, your spine. And then inhale up. And exhale to your heart. Now we're going to do this all over again, but we're going to go a little bit faster. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. But always go at your own pace. Table. Step back with the right leg. Then step back with the left foot. Hinge back to down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, up dog. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, right leg up. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left foot forward. Inhale up. Exhale to your heart. Here we go. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, high plank. Hinging the shoulders over the wrists. Exhale, up dog. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, left leg up. Inhale, warrior. Bring that left leg forward. Exhale, feet together. Inhale, come on up. All right, this is the last one. We're gonna do that same thing now that you got it. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Push back to down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, up dog. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, right leg up. Inhale, step forward. Exhale, walk forward. Inhale up. And exhale to your heart. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Feeling safe. Exhale, step back with the left. Warrior. Step back to down dog. Feet together. Push your hips back. Shoulders over your wrists. Inhale. Exhale, up dog. Inhale, down dog. And then exhale, left leg up. Inhale, walk forward. Exhale, feet together. And inhale, come on up. Exhale to your heart. All right. So one of my favorite ones is just to take your hands to the back of the chair. It's kind of like down dog instead of having your hands down low, just a little higher. And get your ears between your arms. Lengthen your spine. And then walk your hands to the seat of the chair. Right leg back. See if you can straighten your knees. And switch sides. Belly button in. Left leg back. Long neck, spine, open shoulders. And release. Coming on up towards the seat of your chair, take your right knee up. You're just going to reach back and reach for that right foot, ankle, and stretch the front of your thigh. You can bring the foot towards your hip, maybe even kick the foot or knee back. Now if you want to play with this and hinge on the left hip, and then kick the foot away. Now you're just playing with it. Enjoying your body, relaxing your mind, and release. All right, just switching sides. Left knee up, reach for the foot, pull it in. And I'm just taking the knee off the chair so I can push it back a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and hinge forward on that right hip. Maybe kick the foot away. All kinds of cool stuff going on there. Work in progress. There's always something. If it's not one thing, it's another. All right, just got to trust yourself. You're going to make the right choices for yourself. All right, release. So behind your chair, turn your toes out and lift your heels. Shoulders, being aware of the shoulders again. Those are things that we just kind of take for granted. Like, oh, my shoulders, they're where they need to be. Well, sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. But the more you practice opening the shoulders, the more they'll be where they need to be when you need them to be there. All right, lower your heels, inhale, lift, and lower. Inhale, lift, and lower. One more. Inhale, hold it up, Exhale, lower. And just take the feet a little bit wider. Just make sure the chair is on your mat if you're not on a carpet. And then turn the toes out, and we're just going to hinge here and lift and lower. You got this. And hold it here. And just building your dream life for the rest of your life. You're going to make choices to be happy, to be healthy. And inhale, come on up. All right, back to the seat of your chair. And I'm just going to the edge of my chair, and I'm going to hinge around again and work out any of those kinks. And switch directions. And come on up and take your right arm over. Great big inhale. Feel it in the belly. Breathe through your nose. And switch sides. So we just zone out the energy that no longer serves us and zone into the present with our breath. And how you feel now, you're creating for your future. So your future self right now is saying, thank you. All right. Just inhale, reach on up. And hands to your heart. And feel your breath. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Today you have the opportunity to make choices to build yourself up or not. To change, to adapt for the better now so you have a better, healthier, happier future. So just thank yourself now. And I thank you too. Thanks for joining me. Namaste. And thanks for allowing me into your heart. Thanks for allowing me to love you, because I love you real good. You got this. Take care. See you soon.